Hello and welcome to this comparison between Descript versus DaVinci Resolve. Which video editor should you use? We'll be taking a look at their features, the pricing, pros and cons, and at the end, you get to pick based on your preferred choices. We have the links to both services in the description so you can get a head start after this video. Now, when it comes to the features, both Descript and DaVinci Resolve offer robust video editing capabilities. Descript specializes in text-based editing, where you get to edit video by modifying its transcript with AI for audio enhancement, eye contact, and voice cloning. It's an all-in-one for podcasts and video. Now, DaVinci Resolve is a comprehensive professional suite covering editing, color grading, visual effects, and audio post-production. It offers advanced AI tools like Descript and AI Audio Assistant, especially in its studio version. Now, the pricing to get these features includes the free plan with 1 transcription hour, 720p watermark exports. Then you have the hobbyist plan at $24 per month, and this offers 10 transcription hours and 1080p watermark-free exports among others. The creator plan is at $35 per month, and this provides 30 transcription hours, 4K watermark-free exports, and unlimited basic and advanced AI actions like eye contact. Then you have the business plan at $65 per month, and this includes 40 transcription hours, unlimited access to professional AI features, and priority support. DaVinci Resolve also has a free plan with full editing, color, VFX, and audio suite up to 4K. The DaVinci Resolve Studio is at $295, and this is a one-time purchase, and this includes 8K editing, advanced HDR, AI-powered tools, noise reduction, and multi-user collaboration. When it comes to the pros and cons, Descript, on the bright side, includes a unique text-based editor, powerful AI for audio enhancement, and an all-in-one editor for various content types. On the downside, with the cons, it has a steeper learning curve. It requires consistent internet and can be resource intensive. Then you have the pros and cons for DaVinci Resolve, with the bright side having an industry standard professional tools for editing, color, VFX, and audio. And you also have a powerful free version available. And the one-time purchase for studio version provides excellent value. On the other hand, for the cons, there is a steep learning curve. It is resource intensive, and advanced AI mainly is only available in the paid version. In conclusion, both Descript and DaVinci Resolve are powerful editing tools, but they cater to different needs. Descript is ideal for content creators, podcasters who prioritize efficient text-based editing and AI-powered audio-video enhancements. DaVinci Resolve is a powerhouse for professional filmmakers and editors, offering unparalleled depth in color grading, VFX, and audio post-production with a strong free version and a one-time purchase option. So don't forget to check out the links to both Descript and DaVinci Resolve in the description below so you can explore these features and make your choice. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.